let's install your In&Motion air vest into your Bison Thor.2 leathers. Now here, Jake Vandal from Cycle Pros Racing is going to show us his preferred method for getting into his leathers with this air vest. As you can see, Jake is first installing the vest into the torso of the suit. He's just setting it in there, and he's going to go ahead and get into the leathers as he normally would without an air vest. Now keep in mind, a lot of our users have had success with the In&Motion vests, putting them on their body first and zipping them up, and then pulling the Bison leathers up over the whole unit on their body. While that cannot be done with some of the other air vests on the market, these In&Motion units are low profile enough that seems to work out for many. If you do decide to go the method that Jake is using here, installing the vest in the suit first, just make sure when you put your arms into the suit that you first go through the vest hole and get everything together. Once the suit is on the body, go ahead and pull the zippers to the front of the torso, zip it up, and get ready for action. It's as simple as that, but if you have any questions about this install process or any of our products, please email us at info@bisontrack.com or call us at the phone number below. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you trackside soon. Go fast, be safe.